Hello friends, today our topic is liquid ratio. So in this lesson, we will know the formula to calculate liquid ratio, and here we have a question. We will see how to calculate this ratio. Okay. So here this question is taken from Cambridge IGCSE accounting past paper. Okay. So very important. Try to understand. So here, what is the question? Iqua is a trader who sells household furnishings. Okay, she has provided the following information. So here at 30 April 2022, she has inventory, trade receivables, bank overdraft, and trade payables. These are basically current assets and current liabilities. Then here for the year to 30 April 2022, there is some more information. What is this? Here, revenue, purchases and expenses. These are actually not relevant to calculate this ratio. So here we have two adjustments. Here all sales and purchases are on credit. Okay, so this has no impact for this ratio. Here we have inventory at 1st May 2021 was valued at $12,800. So here we have one more inventory. So which inventory will be included here to calculate current ratio? So here it is 1st May 2021 and here it is 30 April 2022. So the date, this date means this is the beginning of the year and this is the ending of the year. That means business started and at 1st May 2021 and it ended at 30 April 2022. It is accounting period 12 months. Okay, now question is which inventory to be included to calculate here current ratio. So here we know inventory is a current asset. Okay, so here it is opening inventory, it is not a current asset. Okay, we have here closing inventory is current asset. Okay, so when you try to balance trial balance or when you learn trial balance, you often get opening inventory and closing inventory together. Then you get confused which one to be included. But when you prepare trial balance, you need to include only opening balance. Okay, that means this balance to be included in that trial balance. But when you calculate current ratio, quick ratio, asset test ratio, whatever, you need to write only closing inventory, this amount. Okay, so I have so many lessons on trial balance. You can watch it to understand inventory on the trial balance. Well, first of all, we need to know the formula to calculate liquid ratio. You know, liquid ratio is also called quick ratio. Okay, sometimes it is also called acid test ratio. So here we know liquid ratio equal to current assets minus closing inventory. Okay, then we will divide this by current liabilities. Okay, so here in this question we have only two current assets. It is inventory and trade payables. What else in the business? So there are some more current assets. For example, cash or cash equivalent, bank balance, short-term investments, other receivables. Okay, like prepayments or advance expenses, whatever you call. Okay, so here we have only two. So opening inventory and trade receivables. So here our formula is current assets, means total current assets minus closing inventory. So here only these two are current assets. So here we will write trade receivables. Okay, as we don't have any more current asset. Okay, so we will subtract closing inventory, so we will not write this amount here. Then we have here current liabilities. What is this? We have here bank overdraft plus we have trade payables, right? Okay, so now we will write the amount So our trade receivable is here. How much? $12,700. We will write here $12,700. Okay. Then our bank overdraft is here 5,375, plus we have here trade payables. It is 7,125. Okay. Now we need to add these two amounts. 5,375 plus 7,125. It is $12,500, right? The addition. And here we have $12,700. Okay. Now we will divide this amount 12,700 by $12,500. Okay. So what you get if we divide? We get here 1.016 is to 1. Okay. So if we round up, it is 1.02 is to 1. Okay. We take 2 decimal places. Okay. This is not complicated. You need to practice.